Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 25th of March 2015. Starting off with the 5-minute chart and going back to yesterday, I spoke about this signal here, the sell signal that saw the market move 100 points lower, and it wasn't appearing on the chart. Well, it actually was there, and it was to do with a scaling issue, which has now been sorted. So you can download the latest version, which is version 1.3 build 1 from the software section of the PPT website, and this will have that correction. So it was there all of the time, and the reason it appeared when I clicked on this PTP here was purely and simply because obviously the PTP rescaled the chart and then it brought it down so we could see it, and then when I removed it, it disappeared, but it was there all of the time. So that has been corrected now in the software. A nice simple fix as well. So coming back to yesterday's activity, we see the market, let's have a look at the pre-market session again, just trading in a narrow range, and then just before the open we see the market put in some buying, followed by a sell. We get a PTI signal there, the market trading down, failing to go down to the next psychological level, down at the 18,050, which is a shame. Normally the market would go down to that sort of level. So we can see just a few points on the table there, and again each increment in these lines is 12.5 points. Here again you can see it went down around 10 points there before the market found support, and we saw the market come back. And no surprise there really, because as I said in yesterday's market alert, the market is long at the moment, and we see the buying come back in immediately, and then we've got some selling pressure, but then the market breaking through, followed by the buy signal there, and the market goes through the major psychological level there of 18,100, and then on up to the 20-point scalp there, or just a few more points on that. See the market coming back, finding support at the 18,100 level. No surprise there really, major psychological level. You can see how the market just sat on this and then eventually broke out to the upside as well. We had a second triple X there as well. We see the market trading up again right to the target price, this time up at the 18,150 level, and if we just draw in a number of points available, you'll see we're around 27 points on this signal. Now we don't get a reversal signal here, purely and simply because the market hadn't opened above and then closed back. So it's something I'm going to look at adding into the PTIs, because it's a one that comes up quite often, where you get the market just sort of testing around this area, just having a look through and then coming back and then giving a really good trade as well. And in particular yesterday, this one of course trading all the way down during the 2 hours that we wouldn't normally trade the PTIs, and that's because of course the negotiations are still going on between Germany and Greece, and obviously it wasn't looking too good at that point, which is why the market traded lower. We then get a sell signal later on in the session, the evening session. We see the market again coming down, filling this, but not actually hitting the scalp until later on in the session, which of course if you were to trade the triple X to the upside, then you wouldn't have stayed with the short side. And again you see the market there just driving through, but then struggling to hold, and then this is followed by another PTI signal, which went on to make the 20 odd points to make up the difference in these two before the close of trade there. In the daily chart, we can see again coming off the highs, 76% still dominating this market as prices pull back there. So a bit of an increase in volume yesterday as well, but struggling with the 76%. The market needs to take this out if prices are to move higher. On the news front, let's have a look, see what we've got. And from 2 p.m. 2:30 we've got crude oil inventories, and that's all really. Durable goods are out before the market opens at 1:30, so not a lot there either. On the implied volatility, we've got up from 1134 to 1171 during yesterday's session, because of course the market moving lower late afternoon, and again you can see that in the price chart, this upturn in the implied volatility there. Other than that, a far better day, and let's hope that things remain that way for the foreseeable. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.